Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a really vintage, nice Homelite E Z automatic chainsaw. This is made in the late 60s. This one is 2.3 cubic inch, that's 37.6 cc's. Power head on this is 9 pounds, 6 ounces. This saw is capable of running up to a 18-inch bar. This one features a 16-inch bar with a new 3/8 chain. That's a skip tooth 3/8 .050. And we'll take a close-up look at this. It's got some great features for being a vintage chainsaw. Kill switch is right here. This is a automatic plus manual override on the oiler. You can pump this if you get into some pitchy conditions, and it gives you a little extra lubrication on that bar and chain. It's got a throttle lock, which also is a decompression valve right there. That little button right there. And it needs it because this little chainsaw has a pretty big attitude for being a little guy. He's got a lot of compression. And if you don't use that decompression valve, let me show you here, it's got a little bit of a kick to it. And then you push the decompression valve in, and so you can see why you need to use that. It's a real high performance little engine, very clean, very low mileage. And just take a look underneath here. You see how clean that saw is. There's your automatic oiler right there. And it has a floating sprocket, which was kind of unique for that time. Most of the saws had the spur sprocket, and it's got the floater, which is really nice. And there's one more thing with this saw I want to show you. It's pretty neat that it comes with. I'll adjust the tension up a little bit. And what's really unique about this, or I like about it, is this original carry case it comes with. Isn't that in great shape? And look at this. I've never seen this with the tag on it. It's got the little Homelite E Z chainsaw logo on it. And I'm not going to go out and cut with it because if a collector wants this, I don't want to be getting it all dirtied up. It does run very well though. Here's what it looks like in its case. Just a great saw.